Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be going over car cleaning hacks. I don't know about you, but I do like riding around in a nice, clean car. So today I'll be going over some things you can do to keep your car looking nice, to make it simpler for you to be able to, keep the car clean, and we will go from there. Now, one of the first things you can do to help with keeping your car clean is to try not to let it get too dirty. The more dirtier you let your car get, the harder it's going to be to clean it. Me, I just like to come out maybe just once over the car and there we go. But if you let it go 3-4 weeks and you haven't washed it, then you won't just be able to come out, just go brush over the car and it's clean. You have to really do some scrubbing, use some elbow grease, all that good stuff. Now you may be saying to yourself, well, I don't have that kind of time. Well, that's all you have to do is get the water hose out and rinse the car off. If you go on a long drive, just rinse the bugs off the front, rinse some of the dirt off. And then when you do get the time, then you can go ahead and brush over it once and it should be clean. And no, we're not going to use the automatic car wash. You're not going to pay to have the paint destroyed on the vehicle. Go through automatic, you're going to have scratches, especially if you have a colored vehicle. You're going to have a ton of scratches. So don't pay someone to scratch your vehicle up. And if you truly want a clean car, hand wash is the best way to go. Is regular soap. You don't have to go buy the expensive car soap from your parts store or anything like that. I've been using regular soap for over a decade and it works very well. I've tried the other soaps. Just really a waste of money. Just use some regular soap. It's going to get the dirt off. Just rinse the car off real good. You won't even notice the difference. Now you will notice a difference because the regular soap, you'll see the suds and bubbles like this. But a lot of time when you go buy the kind from the parts store or whatever, you won't see any of that because it's so watered down. They just add color to it, make you think that you're getting this nice, good soap, but you're not. Just use some regular soap, and there you go. Just regular soap. As you see, nice, clean look. All right, the next hack is don't wash the car in the sunlight. What happens is it's going to dry too quick, and you're going to have a lot of spots on the vehicle, right? Because the sun is drying up quicker than you can wash and rinse. Because you got to wash and rinse the car. So you want to make sure you got some shaded area like I do right here. Look, see the sunlight? You see the shade. Car is in the shade. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of spots. Right? Or you're going to be rushing trying to wash it. All right, so for this next hack, we have to open the doors on the car. Now, if you don't wash the car, it still doesn't have like that super professional cleanness that I'm looking for. This is why you got to open the doors. So most people don't get this part of the car, but you're going to want to clean the door jamb part right here, the outer shell of the door. Also, you want to come in right here. You want to clean this part. Now, this vehicle, of course, is a used vehicle, but as you see how this right here has built up, so that would need some kind of stronger chemical to clean that. But the part that, if you just wipe over it, look there. So it comes clean. That's just built up over time, so we have to put a little something on that. You just clean it. Thing with the back door, because usually what happens when you open the door, you're gonna see that dirt, and you're wondering like, why does it have that? It's missing something, and that's what it's missing. Clean this side yet, so it's a little still. It'll need to be clean, but here we go.